Today, I want to talk about a question I see in my inbox and in my comment section all the time, and it's people wondering if you can still make money as an affiliate marketer on Amazon in 2021. In other words, does it still work? Today, I'm going to talk about why Amazon affiliate marketing still works and how to leverage it to make money online. So stay until the very end because the answer isn't as simple as yes or no, especially if you're looking to turn your affiliate marketing hustle into a long-term business. But before we begin that, if you're new here, welcome to the channel. I post videos here regularly, and my goal is to bring you methods to make money online that actually work, and most importantly, help to build a long-term business. Look, there's a lot of methods online, and there's no shortage of videos showing you the latest hacks, strategies, and cheat codes. But my goal isn't to just give you a backdoor strategy. Instead, I want to teach you strategies that build something long-term and sustainable while still allowing you to start from scratch or as a beginner. Okay, so let's talk about making money on Amazon as an affiliate. Here's an overview of what we'll be discussing in today's training. First, we'll cover what affiliate marketing is, including the main benefits of pursuing affiliate marketing in your online business. Second, we'll discuss Amazon's affiliate marketing program, what it is and why you should consider it. Next, I'll share some of the pros and cons of Amazon's affiliate marketing program. Fourth, how to generate money with Amazon's affiliate program. Next, we'll talk about the scaling beyond just selling one or two products and turning this into an ecosystem that generates serious revenue for you. And lastly, I'll share with you some resources to help you succeed in growing your business. Now, before we jump into the ins and outs of becoming an affiliate for Amazon, let's check out the overall affiliate marketing process. The first step of this process is trying to find a product or service to promote. Remember, with affiliate marketing, you'll receive commissions as a reward for referring a customer to a particular product or service. To find these different affiliate offers, you could do a Google search to a favorite brand or company, followed by affiliate program. Many companies, large and small, have some kind of referral or affiliate program. In other words, we'll be talking specifically about Amazon's affiliate program. Now, after you found an offer and become an affiliate for it, you need to bring traffic, or in other words, people, to that offer so they can make sales. When it comes to traffic, get creative and lean into your strengths. Are you good at writing? Social media and blogging is definitely the avenue to consider. Do you want to create video content? TikTok and YouTube are the perfect places to start. You could also run paid advertising on Facebook or even purchase solo ads. The options are literally endless. And now comes the fun part, receiving commissions. This is your golden egg for being the link between a company and a new customer. The one tip I'll mention here is make sure that you are using your custom affiliate or referral link with your leads. If they don't purchase through you, the company you're working with has no way to pay you a commission. To turn one-time buyers into repeat customers, and in the process, increasing your revenue, make sure you follow up and build relationships with both customers and leads who don't purchase. I'd recommend this via email. Now, let's go ahead and talk about the Amazon affiliate program. First, the official name for it is the Amazon Associate Program, and you can sign up for free at affiliate-program.amazon.com. Now, let's talk about some of the benefits that you should be aware of with the Amazon affiliate program. One, it's Amazon. According to morningconsult.com, Amazon is the #2 most trusted brand in the United States. They have worked tirelessly to perfect their algorithms and produce product pages to do one thing, and that is to convert. Getting an affiliate means you'll enjoy the easier time making a sale as long as you're offering a product people need. They won't hesitate to buy when you send them to an Amazon page. #2, it's easy to join. You can sign up for anything in a few minutes and it's free. This contrasts many of the other affiliate programs that require you to have a social media presence or some certain number of customers. #3, it's easy to use. You can easily find affiliate links for your account. Another thing is variety. Amazon sells everything, meaning you can just receive affiliate commissions for anything. So now that we've discussed the benefits, we also need to talk about the downsides. Trust me, Amazon's affiliate program is far from perfect. First, as an affiliate, you have absolutely no knowledge of the actual customer that bought a product. When someone clicks on your link and goes to Amazon, that's it. You're no longer in the picture. And I'm not saying that's a bad thing. That can actually work to your advantage because you don't have to fulfill anything or even close the deal. But now it's impossible to build an actual list of buyers from this method, which is why if you stick till the end, I'll show you how to get around this. The other problem with Amazon's associate program is that they change their commission structure whenever they want. And believe me, they change it frequently. I've actually posted a video about this and walked through some of the percentage commissions that have dropped drastically. Now, there are a few reasons why I don't think that's a huge deal, which I'll talk about in here, just because one of them is if the Amazon continues to improve, they continue to increase the average order that someone makes, and you'll still get a commission on that entire order. To get more specific, commission rates can be as low as 3 to 5% depending upon the category. So this means that in order to have a business from just promoting Amazon products alone, you'd need to make thousands of sales each month. Now, some big blogs and YouTube channels may be able to pull that off, but it definitely isn't feasible for people who are just starting out. And this is why I teach you how to leverage Amazon for you. So you're not purely growing their business, but your own. So let me tell you the fundamental reason why people will tell you the Amazon affiliate marketing is dead or that it doesn't work. Because yes, the way most people taught Amazon affiliate marketing is dead. But the truth is the way that they're doing it wasn't a great business model anyway and should never have been the way to go about building an affiliate business. Now, here are some ideas that are floating around about how to make money on Amazon as an affiliate. First idea is to build a niche website and then load it up with articles like product reviews or product comparisons. Build your Amazon affiliate links everywhere and then hope your website ranks in Google. Oh, and then also hope that when someone clicks on your website, they'll click over and buy that product. Another strategy people teach is to grow a channel like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram and put affiliate links in your description when you talk about a product. And then there's the classic method, which is friends and family. You can do that via Facebook and basically get them to buy on Amazon through your link. The point is, that's not a great way to build an affiliate business long term. One, it's just not scalable. Remember those low commission rates. Now, each of these methods require also a ton of eyeballs. In other words, followers, viewers, etc., to get sufficient traffic. Okay, now instead, you're going to have different ways to be able to make money as an Amazon affiliate. And the best way to do that is to create an ecosystem of offers. First, whatever your niche is, you want to find products that stack on each other. So for example, if you're in the makeup or beauty niche, have a dozen products that you know one person would buy rather than always promoting the same thing. Or if you're into marketing or leadership books, have a stack of books you plan on promoting. So theoretically, one person would buy everything you promote. Too many marketers find like one or two products and promote them to death, which means they're relying on getting new customers every single time they promote something. Instead, you need to focus on products that stack on each other. And if you want to know more about that, then click on the link below in this training where I'll show you how you can plug yourself into the funnel I use. The next step is to focus on building a subscriber base, not just an audience. The difference is with an audience, you're telling everyone and basically relying on an algorithm to show your content. YouTube's an example of that. Even though people will subscribe to your channel, that's not a guarantee YouTube will recommend it to them or even if they visit the platform. And that kind of goes with any social channel. With a subscriber base, like an email list, as long as your emails aren't going to spam, those emails get sent out to every single one of the subscribers' inboxes. So you don't have to worry about going viral or making content that millions of people will view. Instead, you're slowly growing your subscriber base and allowing that to compound over time. And this is much better as a way to make money as an affiliate on Amazon because the focus isn't on spamming links and getting people to Amazon as quickly as possible. The focus is on click, click, build your brand, and then build your business and really build trust with your audience. The last step in building an ecosystem is to find other offers that will stack on top of each other. For example, utilize marketplaces like ClickBank and other third-party affiliate offers that go hand in hand with your Amazon products. Let's say you wanted to promote podcasting gear on Amazon. So you first sign up to be an Amazon affiliate and have a handful of quality products. You could promote not only these products, but courses and software to help you get people started. Now, at the beginning of this video, I said you can still make money as an Amazon affiliate with this method. And I 100% believe this to be true. We'll even promote Amazon products every now and then in our company when it makes sense. But I would be lying if I told you you can build a full-time business or even grow an Amazon affiliate business to 6 or 7 figures with this strategy. Being an Amazon affiliate is a great place to start and a great resource to have in your back pocket if there's a product that you really want to promote. But ultimately, you want to find the products that offer a better commission structure, have recurring payments, and are all around better for building your brand. Now, some places that you can find products like these are ClickBank, Digistore24, and a few other places you can find by simply Googling affiliate networks. Bottom line, you can plug into the program I use. I decided to not only give away the exact products I'm promoting as an affiliate, products that stack on each other perfectly, offer great commissions, and even allow you to be instantly approved to join, but I even decided to build a system where I can plug you into the very funnel I'm using to promote these products and allow you to keep the commissions. It's called the Partner with Anthony program, and it's the perfect thing to start if you want to grow an actual long-term business. Yes, you can actually add to your favorite affiliate programs. You can put on Amazon, Best Buy, eBay, anything you want. And the best part is you can click below to learn more. Thanks for watching.